Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the snow gear in 7 days so you can survive the snow biome with ease. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out any of my new uploads. Now to begin, first of all we'll need to unlock the crafting of the snow gear. This can be done by completing challenges from the biomes menu right here and from the snow survival tab. Here, you want to go ahead and go through all of these 6 challenges and complete all of them. And once you've done that, we'll need to complete the last challenge, which is going to be to gather all of the materials for the snow gear. And the materials are armor crafting kit, which you can craft inside of your menu from some armor parts, swing kit and duct tape. Nextly, scrap polymers can be gathered by harvesting some tires from roads or near roads or some points of interest. Leather can be gathered by scrapping office chairs or by harvesting some animals using a knife. Cotton can be gathered by just going to the pine forest and finding some cotton plants, which are going to look like this. Just go ahead and punch them. And lastly, we'll need some lens, which you can craft inside of a forge from some sand and clay. So just go ahead and smelt some sand and clay and craft the lenses. And once you're done, just go ahead and craft the snow gear and go ahead and wear it. And this is going to allow you to breathe inside of the snow biome. And this is pretty much all how to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.